In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and manage a blog for your website. So if we go into our site here, every website comes pre-built with a blog page. We can see it right here. We can edit the text and the subtitle here, but the actual blog post, we're not going to edit in the page builder. We're going to want to go back out to our dashboard. We're going to go to Social and Blog Manager. This is where you're going to manage all your blog posts. So the first time you come in here, you'll probably see a sample blog. You can just go ahead and delete that. And we're just going to hit Add New Post. I'll just write in a title here, get some sample text. And we can go ahead and add an image. Just hit this Replace Image. Navigate to what image you want to use and just upload that. And you can put in this author slot here. You can just put your name or whoever you want to credit for writing the blog post. Or you could just leave that blank. And the most important thing here is you want to make sure that this visible box is checked. If this box is not checked, your blog post will not show up on your website. So make sure you have that checked off. Once you're happy with your post, you can hit Save Changes. And now if we go back to our website, we're going to need to add a link to our blog post. We have the page built, but right now there's no way to get to it on our site. So we're going to add a link in the nav bar. I'm going to go to my menu manager, add a new item, and link that to the blog page. Now I'm just going to save and publish my site. And now if I go to my blog page, you can see I have my sample post here. All your blog posts will show up, and you can click into it to read more. Maybe you have a lot of text there. And that's all for this tutorial.